In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Walmart purchase history. This process is straightforward and will help you keep track of your past purchases effortlessly. Whether you're double checking an order, planning to return an item, or simply keeping an eye on your spending, accessing your purchase history is a valuable skill. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to the Walmart website. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and typing in walmart.com, or you can simply click on your bookmarked link if you have it saved. Once the Walmart homepage loads, make sure you're signed into your Walmart account. If you're not signed in already, you'll see options to either sign in or create an account. Enter your email and password associated with your Walmart account if prompted. After logging in, take a look at the upper right corner of the web page. You'll see a small button that looks like a person or might be labeled with your name. This is your profile icon. Click on this icon to access your account options. From the drop-down menu that appears, find and click on Purchase History. This button will direct you to a comprehensive list of all your past purchases made through Walmart. This is a handy feature Walmart offers to save you the hassle of searching through email confirmations or paper receipts. Once your purchase history loads, you'll be greeted with a list of your most recent orders at the top. This area showcases items you've bought online and those purchased in store if you've used the Walmart app or connected your account. If you're looking for a specific past order, you can use the search bar at the top of the purchase history page. Simply type in a keyword related to the item or order you're looking for, and the system will filter through your history for you. For those of you who like to keep a record, you can even download a PDF version of your entire purchase history. This documentation can be helpful for budgeting or record-keeping purposes. Remember that you can always filter your purchases by date or status, such as delivered, pending, or canceled, making it easier to find what you need. That's it, folks. With just these simple steps, you now know how to access and view your Walmart purchase history. Whether you're checking on a recent order or looking into past purchases, you have the information you need right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Happy shopping!